Good morning, ma'am. We are team of four from batch 19. Our project name is answering questions using React module. And this is Nikhil. I am going to explain about the front end of the project. The back end will be taken by my friend Lok Sundar. And here is the HTML code starts with doc type HTML. And we had created our page as React page. And when we open our web page, it will show us a React page for it. And then if any JavaScript is present in the code, then it will run, or else it will say you need to enable JavaScript to run this app. And the CSS graphics for this is on the next page called style.css. When we open it, there is a container. There are many objects called position, width, height, border, and they are used to define the objects like color, font, bold, like that. And there are objects called title, question, answer button, and everything can be done by using same process. We can use any color for it, any font for it, and we can do all the process using the same procedure. The rest of the things will be taken by my friend Loksundar. Thank you.
This is the index.javascript JS file, and here you can see that we are importing React modules. And in this JavaScript, I am using three another JavaScript file, which is questionbox.js, result.js, and index.js. You can see I am importing those three JavaScripts to here. And in this JavaScript, we are creating a class called quiz. In this, we are having the initial state of the values. For question bank, the initial values are null. And for score and response, initial values will be 0. And the second function is getting questions. For getting questions, we will use quiz service. This function will get a lot questions to the question bank. And this compute answer will see whether the answer selected is correct or not. If the answer is correct, it will increase the score by +1. Whether the answer may be correct or wrong, the response has to be increased. This function will do that. It will increase the response by 1 up to 10. And this play again function is used to, here you can see that this dot get questions is used to getting questions, and here this dot set state is used to set the score and the response to 0. Means when you press play again button, then it will get questions first, and it will put a score and responses to 0. And here you can see that when the responses are 10, then the result will be went to means score, and play again will be displayed on the screen. Here you can see that. And the next questionbox.js function is having, it is used to display the questions. Here you can see that it is having question and options. When we select one option, here you can see that remaining three options are going. This part is that, means here you can see that when you, the question is for displaying the question, option is for 4 options, and the selected is for when we select any option, the set answer text will be gone to that selected option. Here you can see that selected that text, and the rest of the thing will be explained by Vinod.
This line is mainly used to import React module from React. In this result.js script, we are having result object with two values, score and play again. In score is divided score by 10 correct answers. This line is used to print the score we got from the index.js. Play again. This button while which activities the play again procedure in index.js. Question bank object having 4 values: question, answers, correct, question ID, which is retrieved to index.js. Question is mainly shows question, answer shows 4 options, correct shows 4 correct answer, and question ID shows the question position. This line is used to take 10 random questions from the question.js. Next, Shiva will continue this remaining part.
In this command prompt, we need to enter the file location of the program by using the command name desktop. And after entering the file name, we need to give the command name npt start. It will open the quiz page. This is the quiz page, and these are the 10 random questions taken from the program as we given. For example, we take first question. Okay.
Start.
After selecting any one option, the remaining options will be hid and the chosen option cannot be changed after completing the quiz. It will display the results. And these are the results, and we can play the quiz again by clicking the play button, and the same 10 random questions will be taken. It will not repeat the previous quiz questions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for teaching us, and thank you for giving the opportunity to create a project on what we have learned. Thank you, sir.